I'm say awe at ya shem rama ye ho nti o so ba be kan say the man no be fa no baby a waye dia den adu in fact I wasn't expect present say the kan last year no be den be kan because ya we for man afini we claim say ya yellow man a le akola nim ya hye ne man ne koso so equally no we have a lot to say so so mu jana ko anko betimi kasa ko mi senka nyimre ko be den e be ba. But almost crafty speech, you know, almost idea. Almost for the salient point of baby, I can't. I better draw attention. I'm party. We can say we kwana. In terms of your kind, you know, say, if you more a young throw, and I enter your kind, no. This time, I'm saying, can you be no, opposition from the pages here because you now be opposition. We need maybe a DB more. That's working kind of
yes, there's one thing on employment.
Yeah.
And the figures no, and as we speak, in young official government communication beyond that, say Mamperi 1 million, and Ghana Statistical Service also reported 300,000.
Yeah.
Mampeni make specific reference to statistical authority omo data.
Yeah.
Until it became an issue. And man focus okay say what make it direct reference there there's also figures no the statistical service figures no
and we in statistical service for when a matter of hours no money aba
yeah
and no be chima you don't come in the bank say we and say we the intrico a man pick it 300 or pick 1 million maybe I'm also you come a website say mo you 300,000 because there's a period between time when we issue 300,000 minimum that time but maybe middle of the year or first quarter of the year and maybe as a detail or from that time to time I'm bringing a report on this baby shower or moon and 10 pound or family do you remember some say and your SONA but then go for the press you flat house and now I'm saying but I'm having a butcher and say the flagship reference programs jobs to send ahead a critic. I'm so to avoid say because say penya also your money 6 months you come and give us the accurate work figures 6 months and yet yeah what did you leave coffee but me person me say statistical service for the way from Akoma FM figures you know be ahead
yeah
to going forward, you know. The essence na warmati. And a matter of hours.
Yeah.
No matter be clear.
First quarter to the third quarter.
Yeah.
Report and a capture 300,000 employment. No.
There's a difference about 670,000. And about account.
Yeah.
And to none come mobile clear say, oh. The man Benin can a sen. The man Benin can a be a now. She can be a thing. And both 330 and I say, be a women, we be a shutdown fan come home. And I hear see now. And it's all made ye till pimpen because presidents will not just get up and Yababa to figure beato. They pick the figures not from their friends, say institutions in yeah, because you know. First quarter, second quarter, for the whole identity to be updated. Bibi sabi to maba. And yes, so my clear, you know, am I? But by and large, presentation of a friend, or my penny, you know, idea because he was able to explain. It appears as a assembly of Fabiano. Senate will questions and confirmation Mubusa. Then he was explains how then and son of Oyden were buffer frost. And you know. But like I feel say, dear Oya a year. Now, dear Mamma need you on him, and I will be a parking kind, and I will be a keep records piano. The next SONA, people have a lot of questions to ask.
Yeah.
Because we be able to say, okay, this time I'll be say, I do say, and I remember, we had to see, and there's an over, now I'm quite anymore, okay, let's quite anymore, you be almost a near day. And quite at least if open a new chapter in SONA presentations. ama obi parking kan na obi otimi da asem tunu tim say e kire kan ro say dey say na no say na kan na dey ayese no yeah obi abenya kwan abusa questions so by and large no wa account for the stewardship which is in a very fashionable way a friend
on corruption